Hi guys, hey, I got another palette from Juno Co to test out for you guys. I did get this sent to me for free to review and test out, but all opinions are my own as always. I will link below my review of the Peach Dream palette, which is from Juno Co. This is a warm peachy palette. I love it. I've been using it a lot lately. I am already wearing mascara, but this is the new palette called Summer Nights. It's actually made by Juno Co. It comes in here. Very nice packaging for something that's so affordable. And then the actual palette is inside that sleeve. Looks like that too, but what's so nice is that this is raised lettering and here it's like felt. There's 12 shades in this eyeshadow palette and it is cruelty free, just so you know. It does come with like this little flap so the mirror doesn't get all covered in product. It's a good size mirror and these are the shades. How cute are they? This is definitely outside of my comfort zone when it comes to palettes. I'm a very neutral kind of person. This does make me want to play with some color though. Like I really want to try either this color or this color. So I'll go through the shades with you and we'll talk about which are matte and the shimmers and then we're going to apply them. First shade, Bleach, is just a plain matte cream. It's a little dusty but nothing out of the ordinary. Bravo is a really nice chestnut brown matte. Probably one of the least powdery of the mattes. I don't know what this stands for because I'm not in high school. ILUSB, I love you so something, which is a very reddish brown. High Ground is a purpley brown. Then we have Good Girl, which was kind of hard to swatch. Run This Town was pretty nice. It's very powdery, probably one of the most powdery mattes. Faded, which is the grayish silver. Weekend, Gorgeous Gold. Wake, very pretty. Purple Rain, it was the most glittery of the bunch and it definitely was powdery. My finger practically fell into it when I went to swatch it. It's very soft. Skywalker, and then Late Night is a pretty nice deep black. Okay, so let's get started and apply some of these shadows. So I think I'm going to start off with just the Bleach shade, the cream. I'm going to pack that on. Quite dusty. I forgot to tap the excess off. I did want to mention that. The other palette I used too, the Peach Dream, it's quite dusty. You do want to tap off the excess, but usually they blend pretty well. I want to put like a blue color on the lower lash line, so I think I'm going to use Run This Town. That one right there, that matte shade in the crease. Whoa. Okay. Dusty. Look at that. They're dusty. It's a little dragging. Definitely could be worse. Now I do like this palette and I think the colors are really interesting. I haven't actually seen a palette with these exact colors in it. Like I think it's very unique, but at the same time I don't see an easy look being created with only this palette, because so I could make a look personally every day. My look would be this top row, maybe this pink or this brown or that gold, but these three shades I just don't think they go so well together. The pink goes with a lot of the shades and I think the gold color goes well, but these bottom three I just don't see them going together. Like I wish I could use two bright colors, but they just don't match in my opinion. Maybe that's just me being like a wuss when it comes to color. We're gonna use blue on the lower lash line. I think I'm gonna take Weekend. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, that's pretty. It's like, I don't even know how to describe it. Almost copper, but not copper. Oh wow, and it's creamy. Just packing that on. Ooh, that's really nice. I'm a little too pale for this color at the moment, but this is a nice texture. It's not flaking like that matte one. That's really pretty, guys. Oh, I like it. Now I need to put something else in the crease though. I think I'm gonna take the shade Bravo, that lighter one up here. Dusty one again. I think maybe the mattes are the most dusty, and I'm gonna blend to some warmth, because I did use that cooler shade in the crease. Wow, you gotta really tap off excess because I think I just put too much on there. But it's really pretty, like it blends really nice. You just gotta be careful. I can't decide between that one and this one. I kind of want the bright one, but I'm such a wuss. I'm very impressed though with the quality of this palette. You know, I think we're gonna take the bright blue. We're gonna use a pencil brush. It's a soft color, like it just made a hole in there. Lots got picked up. That's not as powdery at all. Okay, I'm so scared. Oh my god, I feel like I look like I'm going to a rave. Are raves even still a thing? It's not horrible. I'm gonna take that High Ground dark brown and line my upper lash line. Oh, that's crazy. I look crazy. Not my normal go-to look, if we're being honest. So let me zoom you in and see what this looks like up close. I don't know that I put the colors together as well as I could have. I think next time I would definitely take that Purple Rain color or the pink. I also wanted to throw out their new product. I've talked about their microfiber sponge before, but they recently re-released it and the shape is a little bit different. Juno Co Microfiber Velvet Sponge. I think before it was called the Microfiber Fusion Sponge with the whole point of a microfiber sponge versus like this, which is also from Juno Co, by the way, which is amazing, that the regular sponges absorb a lot of product. That's just naturally what they do, and I think that's what gives it a natural finish on the skin when you use a sponge. But these, it doesn't absorb as much product, which means you can use less foundation, less concealer, less cream products when you use this because it won't absorb as much. So if you use a whole pump of foundation for your face when you use a beauty blender, you can cut that in half when you use this. This is what it looked like before. It had a flat top on it and a round bottom. Now it has a flat bottom and this thing here before and a pointed tip. It has like a fuzziness to the outside. You get it wet, it expands. It's really nice to use. I used the other one in my old video using this, so I will link that below. And by the way, I recently did a $1 beauty blender dupe video. That's this little guy right here. That is it for this video. Is this my favorite palette ever? No. I definitely like the Peach Dream one better. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what you're gonna try out from the brand, what colors I should have put together. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.